Hello students, welcome to my Sanskrit VJP channel. Today's our topic Poetry Essay Answer from first year, Roman number 2. Lesson name Ramo Vigrahavan Dharmaha. Students, question may be given as Ramaha Kaha Saha Kimartham Chitrakutam Agachat Tatra Kim Abhavat. It means who is Rama, why did he go Chitrakutam, and what happened there. And question may be given in another way, that is Ramasya Vanavasam Varnayata. It means describe about Rama's exile. Samadhanam. Kavi Parichayah. Ayam Prashnaha Ramo Vigrahavan Dharmaha iti Patyabhagat Svikrutaha. Kavihi Valmiki Maharshihi. Grantaha Ramayanam. Saramshaha. Once the great ascetic Valmiki asked Narada, the greatest ascetic and best of intellectuals, O Maharshi, I want to know about a person who possesses all good qualities in this world at present. Then Narada Maharshi began his narration pleasantly. O Maharshi, listen. Rama, who was born in the Ikshvaku dynasty, possesses all noble qualities. Seeing such qualities, King Dasharatha decided to appoint his elder and beloved son Rama as the crown prince, according to the wish of the people. महीपतिः दशरथः श्रीरामं यवराज्येन संयोक्तुमैच्छत्. Seeing the arrangements for Rama's coronation, Kaikeyi, third wife of Dasharatha, asked the two boons that had been granted to her in the past. One was Rama's exile, and the other was the coronation of her son Bharata. Purvam datta varadevi varamena mayachata. Being bound by righteousness, King Dasharatha ordered Rama to go into exile. Rama set out to obey his father's command. Lakshmana, the son of Sumitra, followed him out of affection for his brother. Sita, the most beloved wife of Rama and the daughter of King Janaka, also accompanied him, just as Rohini followed the moon. They reached Shrungibedapuram on the bank of river Ganga and sent back the charioteer Sumantra. At the place Rama met Guha, the tribal king. Guha Nishada Raja. With Guha's help, Rama crossed the river along with Sita and Lakshmana. Following the instructions of Bharadwaja Muni, they stayed at Chitrakuta in a cottage. Ramaha Bharadwajasya Shasanat Chitrakote Nyavasat. King Dasharatha died of grief for his son. Bharata did not accept the kingdom even though he had been appointed by Vasishtha and the other Brahmins. Niyujyamano Rajaya Naichad Rajyam Mahabalaha. He went to Chitrakuta and requested Rama to return. But Rama did not accept the kingdom as he had promised to his father. He gave his sandals to Bharata and sent him back to rule the kingdom. Bharata ruled the kingdom from Nandigrama. Bharataha Nandigrame Rajyam Akarot. Students, after Bharata's departure, Rama left Chitrakuta and entered the Dandaka forest. He killed the demon named Viradha and met four sages Sharabhanga, Sutikshna, Agastya, and Agastya's brother. He received Indra's bow, a sword, and quivers with inexhaustible arrows, as instructed by Agastya Maharshi. All the sages came to Rama and requested him to protect Dharma by destroying the demons. Rama took an oath in the presence of all the sages that he would kill the demons and establish Dharma. After having her nose and ears cut off by Lakshmana, the demoness Shurpanaka lost her beauty. Janasthane Ramena Shurpanaka Nama Rakshasi Virupita Abhavat. Encouraged by Shurpanaka, the demons Khara, Dushana, and Trishirasa, along with their followers, came forward to fight with Rama and Lakshmana. But they were all killed by Rama and Lakshmana in the battle. Thus, 14,000 demons were slain by Rama at Janasthana in Dandaka forest. Rakshasam Nihatanyasan Sahasrani Chaturtasha. Students, if you like this video, please share to your friends and well-wishers. And please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.